name is Jason Edwards, I am bad but nice, so let's talk about a bike that is just precise. The new Kawasaki with perimeter frame, all you other brands, it'll put you to shame. I go to a track and it's all I see. You either ride the Kawasaki or you're following me. When I went through the triple, you didn't know my intentions, but little did you know about my callous suspension. I soared through the air with the greatest of ease. Now at this time you shouldn't follow me, oh no. There he went flying, he can compare with the Team Green Giant. He hit the ground, he really run his bell. I said this bus red Honda, you need to sell. About 1 week later, he took my advice, he bought himself a new green one. Now I smooth as ice. I said, Now I'm at another track and I'm ready to race. I saw this yellow banana setting a real slow pace, so I pulled alongside. Having a little time, I said, now wouldn't you like to be on a bike like mine? He looked over his shoulder and he grinned at me. Banana ran through the banners and hit a tree. The bike is mangled and so is he. Now here's another person who had his bell rung. He said, my Suzuki, the throttle hung. Now I'm back on the gate, I'm trying to concentrate. This guy pulls up and he's really late. He holds up his hand for the 2-minute warning. I can tell he shouldn't have got out of bed this morning. He straps on his goggles and he's ready to go. I could tell his adrenaline was starting to flow. Now the Yamaha he's on starts making sounds. All the motorcycle parts start falling on the ground. Tears start to run down his droopy face. I said, you need a Kawasaki to finish this race. I said, there's one more thing that you need to know. If you're racing all the time and wanting the cash flow, when you're on the track, do the best you can do, because I got some Team Green maybe looking at you. You got Jose Gonzalez, Juan Thompson, Roach on a 2. Buy a Kawasaki, it's the right for you. I said,